Hello, welcome to my channel No Konkani. Today we shall know all about the kitchen in Konkani language. Kitchen is called as Ranche Kood. Utensils are called as Aidana. Broom is called as Zadu. Cup is called as Cup. Saucer is called as Bashi. Plate is called as Tat. Cooking vessel is called as Top. Ladle is called as Daulo. Glass is called as Pello. Coconut scraper is called as Advali. Knife is called as Chaku. Grater is called as Kishni. Rolling pin is called as Latani. Polpat is called as Latfale. Sickle is called as Koiti. Strainer is called as Galni. Large water pot is called as Kolso. Lota or Kalash is called as Tambo. Wooden seat is called as Manai. Clay pot is called as Madki. Steamer is called as Pedavan. Motor pestle or grinder is called as Ragdo. Pan or tawa is called as Tao. Wok or kadai is called as Kail. Please subscribe to my channel